Hi, my name is Leilt. I was awarded an Erasmus Master Scholarship where I had the opportunity to study in 3 different countries in 2 years. And the best part was all expenses were paid and I did not pay any tuition fee. On top of that, I got to earn 2 degrees. It was one of the most, if not the defining and transformative moment of my life. It completely changed my outlook, like the way I perceive the world, and it's amazing. So I decided to make several videos on YouTube and share my experience and also share how you can be part of this amazing Erasmus program and get the Erasmus Scholarship. Okay, so the first thing that you have to do is you have to search Erasmus Mundus catalog on Google. And then there are going to be different pages that's going to appear, but make sure you click on the first one that has the .eu one, not the .com or other programs. This one. I will make sure to put a link down below so you can actually go through that. So make sure it's an official website of the European Union, because there are different websites that just promote Erasmus Scholarship, but they're not actually the major website. So make sure you go through that. And then go down, scroll down and look at search the course catalog. Press that. Once you press that, there are going to be different explanation of what this Erasmus Mundus joint program is, and then you scroll down and there are currently right now there are 220 projects available for you to apply. You can scroll down and see whichever suits you better, but the best thing to do is obviously to use the filters. So you can filter them by country, by duration and credits. Usually it's either 24 months or 12 months, I think, different universities, field of study, and then the year of project selection. What I normally do is I filter it through the field of study because, you would know what you want to study, right? So mine was economics, education, and then also political science and social science and humanities. This is what I would normally go for. So let's just explore through that, and then I'll also show you, and then press search. And then I'll also show you my course. So basically, there's Erasmus Mundus Master in Multilingualism and Cultural Diversity, Law and Gender. There are several different programs. But the major question is how to apply. Let's go to my course, okay? So mine is in economics, so let's do that. Mine is global markets, local creativities, okay? So I'll just press this one, the second link, as I told you. So 7 countries are involved in this, and here's a summary of what the program is about. It shows you, what is the objective of the course, what the program focuses on, and the different study tracks that are involved in this program, different countries, different universities that are involved, and the major coordinator is the University of Glasgow. So that's your home university. It has the website, the countries map, and these are the participant countries. And oops, go away. And these are the different universities that are involved. Right. Once you have an overview of what this program is about, you just press back, and then you go back and press the first title link. So the first title link is the one that takes you to where you can apply. So right now the application is not open. It opens in September, I think September to January, and this is the home page of the cohort, the program. So you just go there, and then you can have like a overview of the program, the courses, the structure, tuition fees, entry requirements. Let's go to entry requirements. selection procedure. So there it is, and you can see what's required. If you want to know more about the details of what is required in a master's program, because a lot of them have similarities, which obviously you need to have your bachelor's degree, you need to have your academic transcripts, your English certificate, and I've done that in a separate video that you can find there. You can also contact the admission team there. So this is basically what you would expect when you go through this. Just for the sake of it, let's go to a different one just to see the difference. So I'm just gonna go, no, let's do architecture and construction. Right, so the first one, the title one, is it takes you to where you can apply for this program. So it's Terra, okay. So it's a master's course. It's held in Portugal, Spain, France, and Italy, and it shows you that you can apply now. So this is basically where, this is basically a page where that shows you where you can apply. And as I told you, applications usually start in September. And you can know about all of them right here. And then, but if you want to know just an overview of a summary of what the project is, you press the second link, and this will show you the title, the funding, how many funding it has, until 2031. This project is ongoing, so you can apply. There are 4 countries that are involved, and this is a summary of what this program is. This one is a 1-year program. It's a double master's degree, so you get 2 degrees in 1 year. That's really, really interesting. And this is the coordinator. It's in Portugal. And these are the countries that are involved and the universities that are involved, and you can also download it. So I hope this gives you an idea of how you can apply for the Erasmus Mundus program. If you need any help in applying for this as well, just let me know on the comment below or message me on Instagram and TikTok, and I will help you apply for these programs.